Dear students, very good afternoon to all. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders like hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, and phenylketonuria are due to the mutant allele and their defective products. However, disorders can also be created by imbalance in chromosome number and chromosomal rearrangement. These are called as chromosomal disorders. Downer syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome are common examples of chromosomal disorders. Now, first, Downer syndrome. Downer syndrome, it was first described in 1866 by Langdon Down. The disorder develops due to trisomy of chromosome number 21. Trisomic condition arises due to the formation of n plus 1 male or female gamete by non disjunction and the subsequent fertilization by a normal n gamete. It is characterized by number 1 short stature, number 2 small round head, number 3 furrowed tongue, number 4 partially open mouth, number 5 broad palm with characteristic palm crease, number 6 many loops on fingertips, number 7 big and wrinkled tongue, number 8 physical, that is underdeveloped gonads and genitals, loose jointedness, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. You can see this is a representative figure showing an individual inflicted with Down syndrome. You can see the broad flat face, big and wrinkled tongue, congenital heart disease, flat back of head, many loops on fingertips, palm crease. So this is the representation figure of an individual suffering from Down syndrome. These are the chromosomal errors. Now the second is Klinefelter syndrome. It is caused due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome resulting into 44 plus XXY type chromosome complement. The defect appears due to union of an abnormal egg with 22 plus XX chromosome and a normal sperm with 22 plus Y chromosome, or a normal egg with 22 plus X and an abnormal sperm with 22 plus XY chromosome. Such persons are sterile males with overall masculine development and some female characteristics, for example, feminine pitched voice, development of breast or gynecomastia. Now, the Turner syndrome. The disorder is due to monosomy. It appears due to fusion of an abnormal egg with 22 plus 0 chromosomes and a normal sperm with 22 plus X chromosome, or a normal egg with 22 plus X and an abnormal sperm with 22 plus 0 chromosome. Such females are sterile as ovaries are rudimentary. Besides other features including lack of other secondary sexual characters. This is the representative figure of an individual inflicted with Klinefelter's syndrome. You can see the tall stature with feminized character. You can see taller than average height is key. You can see the taller than average height. Then breast development, gynecomastia, small testes, that is testicular atrophy, female type, pubic hair pattern. This is the representational figure of an individual inflicted with Turner syndrome, short stature and underdevelopment feminine structure. You can see the short stature, poor breast development, rudimentary ovaries, no menstruation. So the figure, these are the representative figures showing individuals inflicted with a Klinefelter syndrome and the Turner's syndrome. Again, you can view it. Turner syndrome victim, and this is the victim of Klinefelter's syndrome. So this was all about today's offline class. Thanks.